Guys, I've got an update on the saw. So in my previous video, there's basically under here, there's a hole on this shaft down here, which the keeper or key is missing. Must have popped off, which is what they're designed to do, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna have to call DeWalt. So the good news is everything is moving. Now, as a workaround to raise and lower my blade, it's unplugged. The table saw is unplugged. If I twist this shaft counterclockwise, it lowers, and I get pushed down a little bit. And then if I want to raise it, go clockwise. So that's a workaround to keep me going until I can get that keeper. Because originally, one of the other repairs I found on YouTube was the whole casting under here has to be replaced, and that does not look like it's the case from my table saw. So I'm going to keep going and get back to work. Hope this helped somebody. Please let me know if it did, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks, guys.